We're at one of our newer blocks here in Okanagan where we grow Cosmic Crisp apples. My wife Mallory and I own and operate Smallwood Farms, which is a fruit stand, and we do a commercial growing as well as a lot of direct marketing here in the state of Washington. I'm passionate about growing high quality tasting food that most people don't really ever get to experience. The Cosmic Crisp, that's a perfect fit. To have a pretty good idea when we start picking Cosmic Crisp, we're looking at color, we're making sure the starches are there, and we really like to make sure the flavor's there. When it comes to harvest, you'll start seeing the bins being put in the orchard. We're bringing in our tractors, the ladders. Our crew is trained to be extremely efficient and fast, harvesting the apple first, picking it off the tree, clipping that stem so it doesn't puncture anything else, putting it in the bag gently. When they're picking, they're not hitting our fruit against our ladders, not bruising it. And then as they're putting the fruit in the bin, they're very gentle with it. And then instantly, the moment they get out of there, they're running back to get back on the ladder to get more fruit in that bag. That bin is then transferred out of the orchard to the warehouse. So trying to be as efficient, as fast as possible to get as much done in a day as we can, in return, taking care of the product. When people come into our fruit stand, they eat something from our farm, I hope it's a wow factor. We take pride in trying to make the Cosmic Crisp the best apple that you'll ever eat. So when we get to grow that piece of fruit, slice that piece of fruit, get a consumer to taste it, see the reaction, that is worth every minute of all the hard work.